Hello everyone, that is Episode 101 here, and this is the 100th video of this channel, that is Episode 101 channel. It's the 100th video, and today I decided to celebrate the 100th video. Why not do something classic, something that, I guess a fandom classic, something that a lot of people do, that do Thomas and Friends videos. I've seen them a lot, and it's a Demolition Derby. I loved Demolition Derbies back in the day of watching YouTube back in like 2014, 15, 2013 as well. Basically when I just started watching YouTube, there was a lot of Demolition Derby videos. There was one YouTuber that I cannot remember his name. If you guys can, his channel's probably deleted now, but he had Duncan and Percy as the top two of the first series of his Demolition Derby videos, and Proteus won the second series. So if you guys know who that is, and if his channel's still up, if you guys know what channel it is, please tell me down below. But yeah, I love Demolition Derbies, both in real life and in the Thomas version. So I thought, why not do one for my 100th video? And yeah, we have this track, which hope we can cause Art of Mayhem. So yeah. And we have, so basically how it's gonna work, there's gonna be 4 heats of 4, and the top 2 advance from each heat. The first 2 to get knocked off of the rails are out. And we'll continue that until we get to the semi-finals and grand final and see who is the Demolition Derby winner. So we have 4 groups. Let's see our groups. In group 1, we have Fuero Thomas, the normal one, Fuero James, Maui, and a special guest for this video, Fuero Hero. This is actually my brother's engine. My younger brother, I gave him this for Christmas of last year, so yeah, this is his. He's making a special appearance in this video. I don't have Fuero Hero yet. I do plan on getting him eventually, but yeah. Group 2, we have Railway Series Thomas, Percy, Luke, and Carly. In Group 3, we have All Engines Go Talking All Engines Go Thomas, Toby, Emily, and Diesel 10, who just made it here, by the way, because his battery starting to leak, and I thought the motor got fried, but I ended up fixing him. So yeah, unfortunately he's still alive and with us. And in Group 4, we have Edward, Henry, Galaxy, and Philip. Galaxy doesn't have a truck because yeah, his backup wing broke, so I need to fix that. So he is on a bit of an advantage that he doesn't have anything behind him. But yeah, he's already old. He's an advantage. Same with Luke. You can, they are pretty much all the same engines from the Train World Cup, except Hero replaced Den. Den doesn't have a backup one either, so that's why. And anyway, let's just get into the action, shall we? Alright, so let me address some stuff, because I know that Rational was a bit controversial. Okay, first of all, I know Carly got stuck in that thing, that I can't think of the cross track. But let's be honest, Trackmaster 2 engines get stuck everywhere, and I need to give them a bit of a chance, alright? Otherwise the Pyro engines will destroy them again, just like in the Train World Cup. So yeah, unless there is literally about to happen and I can't and there's nothing that can be done, I will help the all four Trackmaster 2 engines on those things. Unless there's about to be a collision. Unless they couldn't get out in time normally, if you understand. But yeah, and also, I don't know what's going on with Root. Like, look at this. I think his motor is just fried. The battery's not even that old. Up, and he stopped working altogether now. There we go. Yeah, I think Luke's motor is fried. And I'm not having him go through the next round by barely getting over to that corner over there. So yeah, I'm not having Luke continue because yeah, he's barely working. And since Carly knocked Percy off the track, Percy's also out. Carly's just moving on with Railway Series Thomas. Alright, I know, same shenanigans as the second round. But look, Philip was just getting stuck everywhere. Now, at that point, I just couldn't help him. He got stuck in the corner. And that's because Trackmaster is too stupid and yeah, it doesn't have traction tires or anything anymore. I despise Trackmaster 2 because of that. I guess what I'm trying to say is, engines like Philip and Luke, which is out there, we're just here for filler because they are too bad to be on the track. And I guess Galaxy is as well, but yeah, yeah, between him and Philip, he at least can move. He's just slow because his motor is old and barely works just like Luke's. But yeah, sorry, more controversy. So there you go, folks. Henry is the Thomas and Friends Demolition Derby winner after quite a lot of controversy, especially with Galaxy. You didn't see off camera because I was having problems with him. Similar controversies as to Luke, as I said earlier. But yeah, after all of that, Henry is the Thomas and Friends Demolition winner. For the 100th video of the Data Topic Show channel, it ended up being more of a frustrating and annoying video to record for off-camera reasons. But yeah, congratulations to Henry, and thank you all so much for watching the 100th video of the Data Topic Show 101 channel, and we're hoping for 100 more videos to come and many more to come. And yeah, thank you, Hero, for joining us. He's back there, my little brother's Thomas screen. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I've been Data Topic Show 101, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.